My dear students, management scholars are always looking for new ideas. Management professors are always presenting new thoughts and new concepts and new theories which can explain the organizational and management phenomena and business phenomena in a better way. In that context, we like to see today, in this module, what is known as third wave, an idea which was presented by Alvin Toffler. Now, Alvin Toffler was not any business professor or a business scholar, but he was a futurist. A futurist in every field would like to see the past, look at the present, and forecast about the future. And naturally, if that forecast turns out to be relevant or true, then it becomes a model or a theory to be accepted, to be researched upon. Alvin Toffler talked about third wave. But before we look at the third wave, what is first wave and what is second wave? Remember now 1800 Industrial Revolution, and before the Industrial Revolution, the first wave of economy was based upon natural resources. People would like to work in the fields, maybe 2 or 3 crops in a year. Cycle time of production was 4 months, 6 months. Life was slow. That's first wave of economy. Second wave came when the people migrated from farm to factory. Industrial Revolution. Machine power. The wheel was introduced. The concept of productivity and mechanization and material science and mechanical energy and chemical engineering was the talk of the town. And in management, we were more interested about management science and scientific principles. That was second wave. Third wave, and Alvin Toffler is talking about third wave in the 80s. This wave, he presented an idea, will come in future. And I think we have seen this third wave, rather we are living in this third wave, and maybe fourth is coming. Third wave, he argued. He presented his idea, Alvin Toffler, that human civilization is undergoing through a paradigm shift. Now remember, when we are saying first wave or second wave or third wave, at the end of the wave, at the end of one era, a new era starts. That is what is known as paradigm shift. Because when paradigms are shifted, models are changed, way of work is changed, way of thinking is changed. Let me ask you and give you an example. How many of you would like to have that old style PTCL telephone in your house, which was connected with the wires? Not many. It's a time of wireless. Ladies and gentlemen, you all would like to have, if not 2 mobile phones, if not 2 SIMs in one phone, at least one, and wireless. The phone should go wherever I go. And then I should be connected 24/7. Is it true or not? That's a paradigm shift. So in this paradigm shift, Alvin Toffler was arguing that we are going from industrial age to information age. He declared information age as a third wave within the human civilization. Now, knowledge based on information, ideas based on new knowledge, Alvin Toffler believed, would replace the land and labor and even financial capital as the new creator of value. Business idea hona chahiye. Idea will bring money. Money will not bring idea. Kya khayal hai? Is it not true? We are entering into the fourth wave. A paradigm shift. This view is supported by knowledge-based view, not economic-based view. This view is supported by knowledge-based view of the firm and the rise of knowledge economy. Now, when I am speaking about knowledge-based view, relate this with the resource-based view. So you're talking about information and knowledge and ideas as a new resource. So in other words, now money, which is of course associated with business production, money will come from new ideas. That's what Alvin Toffler talked about in the 80s about the 21st century. Thank you very much.